Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how we can set up, add or install SSL certificate for a website. So I have a website called techanswer.com. Okay, see here, this particular website has security or the connection is secure, which means I have installed SSL certificate. I have took hosting on GoDaddy. I have purchased GoDaddy hosting, and when I click on GoDaddy products, see what are the products here. They are listed here: domains, web hosting, email, and SSL certificate. See here, I have purchased standard SSL certificates. So how you can actually set up or add this particular SSL to my website? To do that, you need to click on, first of all, web hosting, manage all. So this will open your current hosting plan. So the product will be listed here. So yeah, let us check what is my hosting. Yeah, if you observe, see here, there is techconcept.com, and for this particular website, if you want to add SSL certificate or install SSL certificate, choose that particular website or the domain and click on these three dots at right and click on cpanel admin. So first we need to log into our cpanel. This is where we'll add our SSL certificate or install or set up our SSL certificate. So here, these are all the tools or the options available. So directly on the search bar, you can search as SSL status, or you can scroll down to the bottom. Okay, scroll down until you see something like security. As this is a security option, usually for any provider, not only GoDaddy, for Hostinger or WP hosting or any other service, when you visit cpanel, just under the security, check as SSL TSL status, or you can check for the same with like SSL TLS status. Okay, when you find this, click on this. So I'll just click from here, so tap on this. So now here where our available certificates will be shown. Okay, we need to run this. So yeah, see, there is something like run auto SSL. For example, you can search for some information here, and I right now I only have one domain, and these are the subdomains: mail.techconcert.com and different versions of the same website. So you can check, it is already installed. My SSL certificate is already installed. That's the reason it is showing in the lock symbol and in the green. So, and I can again run the SSL. If I want, I can again run the SSL. The security key or the private key will be generated again, but I'm not going to do that. But you can just check all the everything, what all certificates you want for different versions. You can do this, and you can click on run auto SSL. As soon as you do this, until then, if your website has something like HTTP, now you will get something like, when you copy this, I'll tell you what is the difference in the URL you'll get. I'm just copied and I'll just try to paste it on a notepad. See, the HTTPS, which is the secured version, this S is just because of the SSL certificate. If the SSL certificate is not installed, or if you didn't run this auto run SSL, you won't get this HTTPS on the URL section. So browsers will notify the users as unsecured website, so that it will affect the visitors of your website. So SSL is very important. If you have purchased and if it is available on the hosting plan of yours, you can go to the cpanel. Then on the cpanel, you can check for SSL/TSL status, and here you can do the run auto SSL. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.